Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today we are talking about the place where we live. We are talking about our houses. So Bella, let's start with the basics. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment on the third floor of a building. It's not very big, but it's very cozy.
Cozy, that is a great word for our students. It means small, warm, and comfortable.
Exactly. It has a tiny balcony where I keep my plants. What about you, Alex? I know you moved recently.
I did. I moved into a small house with a tiny garden. It's a bit older than your apartment, but I love having more space.
A garden. I'm so jealous. Do you have a fence around it?
Yes, a white wooden fence. It makes me feel like I'm in a movie.
Let's talk about the rooms. How many rooms do you have in your new house?
Well, it's a two-story house. On the ground floor, there is the living room, the kitchen, and a small bathroom.
2 stories. That's a lot of cleaning, Alex.
Tell me about it. On the second floor, there are 2 bedrooms and the main bathroom. What about your apartment?
My apartment is all on one level. When you walk in, you are in the living room. To the left is the kitchen. It's an open-plan kitchen, so I can watch TV while I cook.
I love open-plan rooms. In my house, the kitchen is separate. It's quite old-fashioned.
Which room is your favorite?
Definitely the living room. I have a very large, soft sofa and a big rug on the floor. It's the best place to read a book.
My favorite room is the bedroom. I bought a new bed last month and it is so comfortable. I also have a big wardrobe for all my clothes.
I know you have a lot of clothes, Bella. My wardrobe is very small, so I have to keep my winter coats in the attic.
An attic? That's the space under the roof, right?
Yes, it's a bit dusty, but it's great for storage.
Let's help our students with some words for things inside the house. What is in your kitchen, Alex?
Well, I have a fridge for my food, a stove to cook on, and a microwave for when I'm lazy.
We all have those microwave days. I also have a dishwasher. It's my favorite machine in the world.
I don't have a dishwasher. I have to wash everything by hand in the sink. It takes a long time.
Oh, that's terrible. But you have a washing machine for your clothes, right?
Yes, it's in the small room next to the kitchen. We call that the laundry room.
In my apartment, the washing machine is in the bathroom. It's very common in small apartments.
What about the living room furniture? Do you have a coffee table?
Yes, and a bookshelf full of English books, and I have a beautiful lamp in the corner that gives a warm light in the evening.
A house is nice, but it's a lot of work. What is your least favorite chore?
I hate vacuuming. The machine is so noisy and my cat hates it. He hides under the bed.
Haha, poor cat. I don't mind vacuuming, but I hate mopping the floor. It's so wet and messy.
What about the garden? Do you have to mow the lawn?
Yes, I have a small lawnmower. I do it on Saturday mornings. It makes the house look very neat.
I just have to water my plants on the balcony. It only takes 5 minutes.
You see, apartments are much easier than houses.
There is a saying in English, a house is made of bricks, but a home is made of love.
That's very sweet. How did you make your apartment feel like a home?
I put pictures of my family on the walls. I also have some colorful cushions on the sofa and a nice curtain over the window.
I did the same. I painted the walls in the living room a light blue color. It feels very calm.
Blue is a great choice. I think the lighting is also important. I don't like bright office lights. I prefer soft lamps.
Me too. And I have a big mirror in the hallway. It makes the space look bigger.
Alex, do you remember when you tried to build that bookshelf yourself?
Oh, please don't remind the students.
They had a bookshelf that you have to put together yourself. He spent 5 hours on it, and at the end, it was completely crooked.
I had 3 extra screws left over. I still don't know where they were supposed to go.
That's why I always pay for the assembly service now.
Very smart. My bookshelf still leans to the left a little bit, but it holds my books, so I'm happy.
You should call a professional next time, Alex, or just call me. I'm much better at following instructions.
Bella, how can our students practice English using their house?
I have a great tip. Take some small pieces of paper, sticky notes, and write the English name of every object in your house.
Yes, put a note on the fridge, a note on the mirror, and a note on the door.
Every time you use that object, say the word out loud. I am opening the fridge. I am looking in the mirror.
It's a very fast way to learn noun vocabulary. Also, try to describe your house to a friend.
My house has 3 rooms. My kitchen is small. Simple sentences are perfect for beginners.
Well, Bella, talking about houses has made me want to go home and sit on my crooked bookshelf. I mean, my sofa.
And I need to go water my balcony plants.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope you learned some useful words like cozy, ground floor, and attic.
What about you? Do you live in a house or an apartment? What is your favorite room?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories. Every comment is a chance for you to practice.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It really helps Ready Talk reach more students.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. We have so many more conversations ready for you.
Thank you for practicing your English with us today. You are doing a great job.
We will see you in the next video.
Have a lovely day in your beautiful home.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.